Hello kids! Welcome to learning time. Today we will learn numbers with vehicles. We will count cars, bikes and trucks. Look here. This is a car. Let's count together. One car. Say it again. One car. Vroom vroom! Now look at these bikes. Let's count. One bike, two bikes. Say it with me. Two bikes. The bikes are moving fast. The bikes relax. Wow, look at the big trucks. Let's count slowly. One truck, two trucks. Say it again. Three trucks. Hacha! Now we see buses. Let's count together. One bus, two buses. Three bus. Say again! Look at the taxis. Let's count. One taxi, two taxis. Three taxis. Taxi. Let's count again together. One car, two bikes, three trucks, four buses, five taxis. Clap your hands. Let's count. One jeep, four jeeps, three jeeps, four jeeps, five jeeps, six jeeps. Say it again. Let's count slowly. One tractor, two tractors, three tractors, five tractors, six tractors, seven tractors. You did a great job today. Thank you for counting with me. See you next time. Bye-bye, kids.